Welcome to episode 10 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. We had to run this back. DURAN has his Bugatti back on the market for sale. Why? Because the marketing is done. He needed to sell you guys an algo that trades for you, but he needed the marketing. And what better marketing can you do? Let's buy a Bugatti for a month. It's only been a month. Promote it, get hundreds of thousands of likes so that we can promote this algo bot. How do you make money? How can you afford a Bugatti, Ethan? Oh, it's through an algo that trades for you that makes you money? Oh, I would love to join, Ethan. I want the algo that you use so that you could afford that Bugatti. It's been about a month or 2 months max that he's had this Bugatti for, and it's back for sale on the market. Yes, he's going to take a minor loss on it, but was it worth it? Absolutely, because he made his money from the algo bot he was trying to sell to you guys. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys. To you guys, the things that I make videos on, you're like, no way. I've been around for 10 plus years. 10 plus. Run through my YouTube, run through my Instagram. I'm still here for a reason. I don't do any fake stunt marketing so that I can promote an algo bot. An algo bot that trades for you. When are we going to learn? This is what free marketing does. You see nice cars on Instagram, you see nice watches, you see this, you see that, and you automatically ask, how do you make that money so that you can afford it? That's the trick. A Bugatti, that's the best of all tricks, but it's back on the market. So if anybody's interested in buying it, you can go buy Ethan Duran's car.